What's crackalacking, man? So today, man, about to do the cams, man. Remove these cams, you feel me? And replace the rings that's on them. So I got the timing tool set up. Bam. So you basically put the car on top dead center. Well, not the car. You put the motor on top dead center. The two barcodes should be facing up. Two barcodes are facing up. Cars at top dead center. Now, what I'm doing is, this is for the tensioner. You wanna take that off. So you just slack about that chain lane. Now that's off. Go ahead. Take the tensioner. Bam, that's out. Now the tension's off the chain. Then what you want to do is, these two bolts right here, take these off. So that's gonna be next. Alright, so now these two bolts, what you want to do is, loosen it. That's the other one. Alright, now those two are loose. Be a long false one. When you mark it, be smart. Remember, those cam bolts are one-time use. Alright, it's all marked up now. So, I guess it just comes off, like I said. Bam, that's off. And now time for this side. Right back. Bag and tag, bag and tag, bag and tag. Then I'm gonna hit these 2 bolts. So I'm gonna remove this, and then we'll start taking off the cam bolts. Let's get it. All right, so I loosened up these 2 because these 2 hold on to the cam. Bam, bam. And then now I'm just gonna start from the outside in. So these 2, these 2, these 2, these 2, these 2, and then I'll save these 2 for last. I'm gonna do this and keep this on because I do not want the cams moving, just my luck. I seen some people do it without it, but I'm gonna do it with it. You feel me? So let's get it. All right, now I'm gonna let y'all hear it. So I did that one. Then I'm gonna come back to this one. Sound like it's gonna break, but it's not. You feel me? Sound like it's breaking, but it's not. Okay, now I'm gonna take off the timing cover thing so I get the front bolts. All right, so basically this is how it's going down. I got the cam rings, pop them. Some old metal rings, see that? One off. And another one off. Now what I do, put the cam in there, right? Kind of press it in. Turn it with it in there. How do you feel the motor gonna be way smoother? I know. Give me a whisper, cool. And then see, it's already better. You feel me? Bam. Put that back. Bam. Put that back on. Now it's time to put it on the motor. Alright, so I got both of them. Make sure everything in place right there. You feel me? Make sure everything in place. Start doing your thing. Don't go too crazy, you feel me? Just enough to win. All right. Now everything goes down to 8 Newton meters. Everything got to be 8 Newton meters. All right, we went 8 Newton meters. Now we about to go 60 degrees. And then after the 60 degrees, that's it. Yep, then we're gonna be on the last one, and that's it, man. After that, cam ledges are installed. I'm gonna see y'all in the next episode. Peace.